The Quincy Instruments mobile DPD2CC app allows you to quickly upload DPD readings to the Quincy Cloud Connect platform. This video will walk you through navigating the app and uploading data points to the cloud. First, log in to the app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main menu and select your system. All available systems under your company and user account will display in a list. If you are unsure of your system's name, head over to your Krypton analyzer and you will find the name in the upper left-hand side of the instrument's LCD display. If no name is given, the name can be Neon Multi, Neon, or Name. Once you have located your system, select it. This will open a new menu at the bottom of the screen. To add your DPD reading, click New Sample. The first step will be to set the date and time of the measurement. Make sure that the timestamp of the sample reflects the time that the sample was retrieved from the system's sample valve. Once this is confirmed, click Continue. Next, enter the values for each measurement. If free or total values do not relate to your system, do not enter a value. Finally, press OK. Once this button is pressed, the reference data is logged and uploaded to the Cloud Connect web platform. Make sure the cloud in the top right corner is green, which indicates that you have internet connectivity. To view your DPD readings, navigate to cloud-connect.cloud/login and log in using the same credentials as on the mobile app. Choose your system and click the Weekly Reports graph. Then scroll down to the DPD measurements list. Find more helpful videos like this on the Quincy Support Center.